Hello, good morning. This is Tata of North Ink Studio Tattoo. I'm going to show you the basic setup for your tattoo workstation. So first, you have to clean everything up. You will use a tattoo soap or alcohol cleaning your workstation. After cleaning it up, you will wrap it with wrap. So you need to wrap everything that you're using to avoid cross-contamination. So after wrapping it up, you need to put dental grip. So this is the dental grip. Place it here. Then you need some tape. So everything's placed. Your setup. So this is the grip cord sleeve. So you need to cover your cord with this to avoid cross contamination. So everything is disposable after you use this. After your tattoo session, I will throw everything out. So you also need to wrap your foot switch. So you will set up your machine. How will you set up your machine? You're using a pen type. So you can wrap half of your pen type. Just half of it. Half of it. Don't wrap it here. We'll wrap this later with grip tape. So this part is the only part you will wrap with cord sleeve cover, so that you can still twist the pin grip to adjust your needle later. So then this part here, the grip of your pin type, you will cover it with grip tape. So you just cover it there, then cover everything so you can still twist it to adjust your needle. can ready your needles. Tongue depressor. So this is just a basic quick setup for your tattoo session. So that's it. You're ready for your tattoo session.